Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make a wedding poster design in Canva using Canva elements and illustrations. So let's start with it. So we'll be choosing custom size here and we will be choosing width as 1000 and height as 1600, which is in the format of 5:8. You can just adjust it accordingly, but we are using this size here 1000 is to 1600 pixels. Okay, so let's create a new design. Let's come to the elements here, and from here we will be choosing the background, the arc, everything from here. So let's start with it. So first we'll be choosing abstract pink background, and from here we'll come to the photos here and click on see all, and we'll choose this one as example, and make sure you are having a pro account because all the characters, all the elements and illustrations which I'll be using in this tutorial are all from the Canva Pro section. Okay, so let's click on set image as background. Okay, so this one is done. Now we'll click on the come to the next part, and here we will write as wedding arc floral decor, as I have written it already here. So I will come to the graphics and click on see all, and this time we will click this one, bring it to the canvas, and let's decrease the size. Okay, so size decreasing is done. Let's click on duplicate and let's move in here and click on flip and flip horizontal. So as you can see, design is already created here using the leaves, as you can see here. So now this one is done. Let's come to the lower part here. So for this we will use only the wedding arc part. So we will just decrease or delete the floral decor section and we'll use only the wedding arc. So for this one we will be using this, scroll down and find in here this one. Okay, so as you can see this is wedding flower arc. So we'll bring it here and just increase the size. Okay, so this one is done. Now next part is couple illustration. Okay, so you can see this couple here, which is, as you can see, it is cheerful couple illustration, and we'll click on see more like this, and we will use this couple here and just decrease the size according to our requirement. Just we will make the size slightly above this arc. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's work on the writing part. Okay, so we'll go to text here and we'll click on add a heading, and here we will write the bride and groom's name. Okay, for this we will be writing here Deepti and Umang. This is just for example, and now I will change the font, which is, I will go to here with the font and I will write here vintage rotter. Okay, so I will click on here, and as you can see the font is changed. Now we will work on the spacing part. Let's work on the spacing, and now we will just increase the size. So size 80 looks good. Now we'll change the color. For the color we'll use this pink and just use this one. For example, you can just use this code also if you want, E4O28D. You can just use the same color code for your example. And now we will click on add a subheading, and here I will write you are cordially invited to attain the wedding of. Okay, so we have written it here. Decrease the size as 28 for this example, and now we will go to colors here and change the color to this one and just increase this shade to somewhat like this. Okay, so this one is done. Now we'll bring it here, and now we'll go to FX and use the curve here. Now we will make sure that the curve is coming properly here, following the flower decor. So 23 looks good for me. Okay, so 23 looks good. Now this one is done. Now let's come to the next part. Let's make it 24 for this example. Okay, so now we will come to the next part, which is writing the date and venue. So for date, we are writing here as 22nd of October, 2024. Okay, and for venue, we are writing as Floral Gardens. This is just for example. Let's make this G as caps, and this one is done. So let's change the color to this green. Okay, and let's decrease the size to 32 or 28 to be precise. Let's make it as 32. So 32 looks good here. So this is the poster design, and you can design the same for you and make the pre-wedding poster design or the wedding invitation poster design for you. So hope you like this tutorial, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.